Are you on a weight loss journey? You might be surprised to learn about a natural remedy that could help. In this video, we'll explore the science behind guava leaves and their potential to support your weight loss goals. Guava, the delicious tropical fruit, is well known. But did you know its leaves are packed with beneficial compounds? For centuries, traditional medicine has recognized their therapeutic properties. Now, modern science is investigating how they might aid in weight management. So, how can guava leaves potentially help with weight loss? Here are some key ways. Carb blocking. Guava leaves may inhibit enzymes that break down carbohydrates, reducing sugar absorption. Metabolism boost. Some studies suggest guava leaf extract could increase metabolism and calorie burning. Blood sugar regulation. Guava leaves may help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and fat storage. Antioxidant power. Guava leaves are rich in antioxidants, supporting overall health, which indirectly aids a healthy metabolism. The easiest way to incorporate guava leaves is by making tea. Simply simmer fresh or dried leaves in hot water. You can also find guava leaf extracts and supplements, but always consult your doctor before starting any new regimen. It's important to remember that guava leaves are not a magic bullet. They should be used as part of a balanced diet and exercise plan. Individual results may vary, and it's essential to consult with your doctor before use, especially if you have any health conditions. Guava leaves offer a promising natural way to support your weight management journey. As research continues, we may discover even more benefits of this amazing plant. Stay tuned for more health tips. And that's it. A simple, natural way to support your weight loss journey using just guava leaves. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more kitchen wellness tips and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Have you ever tried guava leaf tea? Tell me in the comments.